Hello everybody. So a very quick video today. MSTR stock, no buy. There was no buy. And why was there no buy? Well, most likely because Q1 is coming and we know he has a bad habit of not buying during the earnings window. It's on Tuesday night, May 5 on Tuesday night. And I am looking forward, of course, to the conference call. I'll make my videos about this topic on Tuesday night, although there's a lot of earnings still this week, so lots of competition for earnings coverage. He tweeted that no buys this week. Why is this a big deal, actually, that there's no buy? Because Bitcoin is strong. We hit $79,000 yesterday. Lots of ETF buying on Friday as well. Bitcoin has been very strong without a single Saylor buy. And that's, of course, I would argue because the market is becoming more optimistic about Clarity Act passing. And also, big tech having mostly reported last week. The only big tech company we have coming up is NVIDIA. That's it. And so we know that, unfortunately, Bitcoin still has a little bit of a correlation with the NASDAQ, a little bit of a correlation with software. NASDAQ is doing well, therefore Bitcoin is doing well. Bitcoin is actually outperforming. If I look at kind of the past few days, if I look at since, early April, we've been up. And it's good. I love it very much. Another point, and this is, so of course, MNAV, there was no ATM, so we went back to 1.27. Fear and greed, 45. That's good. That's what I wanted. I don't want to have a crazy bull market for now. Also note another thing, right? MSTR stock outperforming Bitcoin by quite a bit, almost 4 times. Almost 4 times Bitcoin. MSTR is supposed to be 1.5x, roughly, per Saylor, right? It's outperforming way more, and he did an ATM. That probably has something to do about that. One thing that I wanted to say is when I saw this tweet this morning, I was wondering whether he could have added some cash, because when I look at the cash reserve, remember the USD months of dividend coverage, we used to have close to 2 years, not quite, but close to 2 years when he introduced it. Now that he's issued so much more stretch, we are down to 18 months. My guess is that at some point, he's going to need to add cash to the USD reserve. Could there be a surprise? Could he have done that? Could he have added cash? Would that change something? I mean, would that still qualify for that statement? No buys of Bitcoin this week, but maybe he stacked cash, right? So I'm wondering about that, about the cash reserve. I think that's going to be a topic of conversation in the next few weeks, adding more money to the cash reserve. Another thing that I hope somebody asks on the conference call is, where's the cash? Like, where did they, like, is the cash parked? The cash parked is where? Where did he park it? Did he park it in commercial paper, short-term T-bills? Where is the park cashed, and what kind of interest is the cash earning? As you know, I've made that point in a prior video. I think once Stretch and SATA-like instruments mature, I think it would make sense for Saylor to park that cash in some of his Bitcoin-backed instruments when they mature, not just yet. But I'm curious to see how much money is that cash earning, because actually, if it's earning 4%, which is roughly the rate right now, that's not too shabby. That's not too bad on 2.2 billion, and that also adds to the flywheel, to the Bitcoin flying, to a Bitcoin buying flywheel. Lastly, let me conclude. I'm working on another video for Clarity Act. It's coming later today, so stay tuned. I have a more detailed video about the Clarity Act, because the Clarity Act, of course, might be the reason why Bitcoin is up nicely this Saturday. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, this was not investment advice. This is not financial advice. This is only entertainment. I'm hoping you were entertained. Please like, please subscribe, follow me on Patreon, follow me on X. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.